server, it seems.
Okay.
Okay, I have recorded. Great. Okay. See, Teju, I have created one repo in GitHub. Okay, Node.js
Okay.
class batch 2. Okay, in this repository, which is in origin, which means like I will be pushing my code to the remote area. You have idea about this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Remote
remote means
branch.
like in online, means like in the remote area, means like if you have internet, then you can use this like GitHub,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
Idea about GitHub, right?
yeah,
In GitHub,
yeah.
I have created one Node.js repo. In this, I will be pushing my whatever I'm writing, like whatever I'm doing day to day class, I will be pushing that code into this repository. So that code, you
Okay.
need to just give one command git pull origin master branch name. Then that whole code, that whole files will be coming into your system. అంటే మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే అది గిట్ పుల్ ఒరిజిన్ మాస్టర్ ఇస్తారు కదా ఆ మొత్తం కూడా మీ కంప్యూటర్ సిస్టంలో వచ్చేస్తుంది.
Okay.
మీ ఫోల్డర్ మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో వచ్చేస్తుంది. మీ
Okay.
లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీలో వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? మీకు చూపిస్తాను ఎలా
Yeah.
చేయాలో అది. ఓకేనా? సో దట్ యూ కెన్ యాక్సెస్ దట్ ఫైల్స్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ రిఫర్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీ డే అండ్ యూ కెన్ కంప్లీట్ యువర్ అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఓకే,
Sure.
ఆల్ రైట్. ఓకే, రైట్. So like this is my folder. Okay, I have created one new folder. Teju, you need to
Yeah.
click here. Okay, in the taskbar, you need to click here. Title bar, what we call here. Okay, so like here you can see the path directory, local D directory, Node.js folder name. Okay,
Yeah.
here you should click. Here you should clear everything, this path, and you should write CMD. So you can
Yeah.
open command prompt. Okay.
Oh,
Then
yeah.
give your code space dot so that you will open by giving this command, you can open VS Code.
Okay. Code space
Okay.
dot. Okay.
Code space dot.
So I have to initially install VS Code in my local, right? I have a
Exactly,
Mac.
exactly. Okay. You have Mac, you're using Mac. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you can do, one second. One second. Huh?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
hello, sir. క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది నేను చెప్పేసిన కదా సార్, డెమో చెప్పేసిన కదా. రైట్ రైట్. సబ్జెక్ట్ సార్ నిన్న చెప్పేసిన కదా డెమో. రైట్ రైట్ సార్. ఇది రికార్డ్ చేసిన సార్ నేను. ఓకే, రైట్. సో తేజు, వాట్ యూ డూ, యూ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ మ్యాక్, రైట్? సో
Yeah.
ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ హౌ టు డౌన్లోడ్ ఫస్ట్, బికాస్ యూ షుడ్ డూ ఇట్, రైట్? Go to
Yeah.
Chrome. Here
Yeah.
you type,
I think code.visualstudio.com, right? Yeah, I got
yeah,
it.
VS Code download.
I think I
Or
already
online.
have.
Okay, here you click here. Okay, here you can select like Mac, see here. Okay, for Windows I have
Yeah.
installed. For Mac you
Yeah. Yeah.
install like this. Okay, click here.
Yeah.
So it will be installed. Understand,
Yeah.
right?
I opened. Yeah.
Okay,
It
you
is
ensure
installed
that
and
like
it's
you
ready.
have it. Yeah, make sure you have installed this VS Code so that from tomorrow, like I will be giving you task. So you will be in parallelly, you will be doing the task. Otherwise, you will be lagging. Okay.
Okay.
If you have any doubt, like let me know. You install
Nothing.
today. Okay. After
Yeah.
completing class, you install this VS Code. Okay, that is
Sure.
important. All right. So yesterday, like I have completed this introduction about Node.js. Okay, like
Yeah.
once for 2 minutes we'll recall it so that we'll come to know like what's happening in yesterday's class. Okay, so
Yeah.
I will ask you a few questions so that like I will know like how much you are understanding. Okay,
Okay.
so Teju, why we use Node.js?
Uh, it's
Node.js we are using, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's oh wow. It's an environment we can use to deploy for use for our APIs instead of a browser.
No. See, very simple, Teju. ఇది ఒక ప్లేస్, ఇది ఒక ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్. ఓకే, ఇది ఒక ప్లేస్, ఏం లేదు, ఒక ప్లేస్ అంటారు దానికి. ఓకేనా?
Yeah.
ఈ ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్లేస్ దగ్గర నువ్వు జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కోడ్ రన్ చేయవచ్చు.
Mm.
ఈ నోట్ చేసి వీడియో మీరు చెప్పింది కరెక్టే. ఓకేనా? బట్ ద డెఫినేషన్ షుడ్ బి ప్రాపర్. ఓకేనా?
Yeah.
బ్రౌజర్లో మనం రన్ చేయవచ్చు, మన జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కోడ్ ఇది బ్రౌజర్లో రన్ చేయవచ్చు. కానీ వీడేం చేస్తుండు, హీఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు రన్ యువర్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కోడ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ బ్రౌజర్లో రన్ చేయకుండా
Yes.
యూ కెన్ రన్ యువర్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కోడ్ ఇన్సైడ్ నోట్.js
So can I
environment.
say, if we want to run JavaScript, compile JavaScript code outside of the browser?
Yeah, exactly. Then we can have Node.js. Okay. Node.js
Yeah.
is just JavaScript. Node.js is an environment where we can run our JavaScript code. Okay.
Can I write it down?
Yeah, you write it
Node
down.
Node.js is an environment
Environment that allows
where
you to
which
run
allows
JavaScript code outside of a browser.
allows us run JavaScript code outside the browser.
Yeah,
It's
you
an
understood, right?
environment. Basically. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's an
Thank you.
environment. Okay. Now, I will ask you another question. You are
Mhm.
saying you are able to run JavaScript code in Node.js environment. How you are able
Mhm.
to, how that Node.js is able to convert machine code, like how it is executing your JavaScript code.
It's using V8 engine,
Great,
internally
great, very good.
Node.js. Yeah.
Very good, very good. So V8 engine is that V8 engine is used in specifically for browser. Google has developed that. Okay, Google people.
Okay.
Google has developed this V8 engine for the sake of Chromium browser. Okay, for Chrome
Okay.
browser to develop. But Riandel, what he has done, he used this V8 engine for Node.js also,
Okay.
so
Got
that
it.
he got an idea. Array, I can run this. I can run our JavaScript code in Node.js environment, and I can develop my backend APIs. I can use for backend purpose. Like that, he got idea. He did research, and he finally he done that. Okay, so yeah, you understood, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay, who developed this Node.js? Who is the founder of Node.js?
Randolph, right?
Yeah, Randall. Okay, Randall.
Randall.
Great.
Yeah.
What is the first version of Node.js?
0.1.0, right?
Yeah, 0.1.0. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But that version, whenever they have released this 0.1.0, that was the initial release. So that release was supported for which operating systems?
Only Windows and
Wrong.
Linux.
Wrong. It is supported for only Linux and Mac.
Linux and Mac. Okay.
Okay. See here, you can see. See, it was released in the year 2000. Initial release was 0.1. It was supported. It was supported for Linux and Mac. That's it. Okay. Okay. So later release was the first version, that is 0.6.0. It is supported for all the operating system like Linux,
Hmm.
Mac, Windows. You're understanding, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Just I'm recalling. In 5 minutes, I will complete it. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Up to here, you are clear, right? Because it is
Yes.
very, you must have knowledge about this. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Okay. To convert your JavaScript code into machine code, what you are using?
V8 engine, right?
Great, great. All right. All right. Up to here. So basically, like we have all backend technologies like Java, Python. Okay, many are there. Then why we are using Node.js specifically? Like, what is the purpose?
It is quick. The
Mhm.
efficiency.
Scalability, efficiency is there, speed is there. Okay,
Yeah.
it is handling multiple HTTP requests simultaneously. Okay,
Okay.
and
Handle.
yeah, and speed. It reduces speed to make a request. Okay, make a request quickly, and it reduces response time. Within less time, it will give the response to the client side.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
it is using
It's lightweight.
event driven non-blocking
Mm.
input output
Yeah.
model. Input output
Okay.
model. Okay, this one I will explain while I'm explaining Node.js architecture. Okay, whenever I'm
Okay.
explaining
Sure.
Node.js architecture, that time I will cover this line, then you will understand. Okay, as of now, for
Okay.
time being, you just note on this one. Okay.
Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so like there are many organizations are using this Node.js, like NASA, okay, LinkedIn, GoDaddy, Uber, Netflix, okay, and you can see here, okay, IoT, okay, most people are using this, and this mostly these are like this Node.js is used for like video chatting, audio chatting, file upload, okay, okay, you have understood,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. So today you have up to here it is clear, or like
Yes, it's
okay.
clear. We'll go. Yeah.
And for your kind information, this Node.js is open source. Open source means open-source means it is free and publicly available. Anyone can
Yeah.
download, anyone can use it. And it is cross-platform. Cross-platform means what does it mean? Means you can run your Node.js application on multiple operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux. On every Mac operating system, it is able to run.
Yeah.
Supports all operating system. Okay, that's it.
Mm.
All right, up to here it is good. So
Yes.
okay, I will create one file. What is the date today? 07
Yeah.
hyphen 11 2024. Okay, actually this one I created file. I need to create folder. Okay, 07
Mhm.
hyphen 11 2024. All right. Okay, so we have different type of editors, Teju.
Okay. I
Like
think we are done with it, right? VS
this
Code,
one.
Sublime
Yeah,
Atom.
yeah. You are
Good with
familiar
it.
with that, right?
Yes, yes. Yesterday you
Okay.
already told me. We
Yeah,
can
yeah.
skip it.
Yeah. Just I will write here. Okay.
Okay, sure.
VS Code
VS Code.
so that you can recall anytime. It is free. Okay. And we
Okay.
have Visual Studio.
Studio. Yeah.
Okay. Visual Studio. It is commercial. And we have WebStorm.
Mhm.
It is also commercial. And we have Stack Builds. You have idea about that, right?
I never heard of it, but that's fine. Most
It
of
is,
us use VS Code only, like
yeah, VS Code only. Okay. This is
VS Code
different
for
type of
Angular
editors.
and React. Also, they're using VS Code only.
VS Code
Actually,
only. Exactly,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. We
Basically.
have brackets also. Uh, it is
Mhm.
free. Okay, so mostly we use VS Code. It is freely available and it is very good. It is having intelligence. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, intelligence means
Mhm.
already they have included all the predefined code. Okay, so if you are stucking anywhere, like it gives you it highlight your errors. Okay, and it gives you suggestions, like if you're missing, if you're not writing proper format of your function, if you're declaring, for example, this is your function. Okay,
Mhm.
now if you did not declare, this is improper format, right? So it will give you error. So this is called intelligence. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, up to here it is clear, right? So
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
this is
yeah.
different. So we are using VS Code. Now I will discuss about extensions.
Mhm.
Okay, I will discuss about VS Code. Okay, VS Code.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. In VS Code, we have different. I will just first of all, I will explain about VS Code, like what it is. Like this is Explorer, Teju.
Okay.
Whenever you click on this option Explorer, you can see files and folders, like whatever within your root
Yeah.
directory. This is called
Project
directory.
folders. That
Yeah,
will
this
be
is
the
called
root project, and
yeah.
yeah.
In this, you are able to see files and folders. This is search option. In the search option, you can, for example, now you are in this file. Okay, now you want to search anything, or within your project, like you want to search specific function. Okay, download functionality.
Mm-hmm.
Download like this. Then if you click enter, it will show in here you are able to see the download functionality in which
Yeah,
file it is
yeah,
present. Okay, that
yeah.
one you can see. All right. So this is this
Git
option is used for, whenever you are familiar with GitHub, right?
version control, right?
Version control,
Git
source
or
control,
what?
version control.
Yeah,
So
source
whenever
control.
you do any changes in your code or in any file, you are able to see here the changes. Okay, see, it was empty file. Now I have created one new file. Okay, now you want to, if you want to commit it, you can commit it. I will show you later this one. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here
That's
you are
fine.
able to track the changes, like whatever the changes you have done so far in your files, and what files, folders you have created so far from the beginning. You are able to see here. You can track that
Mhm.
changes. Okay.
Yeah.
And those things you can push to your GitHub repository.
Okay. Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't
This
know
is
exactly the way, but I know.
okay.
Yeah.
This is extensions. This option is called extensions. You are familiar about this?
Yeah. Yeah. In IntelliJ also we have it. So
Great,
I
great,
get
great. So this,
wherever we need
yeah, yeah.
extra
So,
extra tools or anything like that.
yeah, yeah.
Or
Here we can we have different type of extensions, like I will tell you. Okay. This is not required. Okay. Okay. First I will explain about extensions. Okay.
mm,
Okay. Like we have brackets. Okay. Sorry, better
mhm.
comments.
Better commits, huh?
Yeah, better comments extension. Okay.
Comments. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. By using this comment, by using this extension, you can write extension. We can add different comments. Okay, or use in our project.
Okay.
Okay.
Different
Yeah.
comments.
We have Thunder client.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thunder client. It is used to check APIs, to test APIs, you can tell. Okay. To test APIs.
Mm-hmm.
Where we use this one. Okay. And you have idea about Postman, right? Postman.
Yeah.
Java you use, right?
Postman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I recommend you use Postman because already you're familiar. So I'm also, because this in Thunder client in the middle, they are asking paid, okay, paid version. So I recommend you can use Postman.
Okay.
Directly in
Sure.
VS Code, you can use this one. Okay, I will tell you. First, I will write here. It is used to test APIs.
Mm. Why did you write Stack Blitz?
No, no, I already, sorry, it came. Test APIs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a dictionary maybe.
Yeah. Yeah. APIs. If I'm writing S means it is showing in, it is having intelligence, right?
Yeah.
So in
Yeah. That's fine.
suggestions, it is
I
showing.
understood.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Better comments, Thunder client, Postman. We have live share. Okay.
Live
You
share.
ca-
Okay.
Yeah, you can share your screen. You can share your VS Code screen
Oh.
to your team leader or your whoever you're seeing, to your team leader, like whoever. Just example I'm giving. Okay, I will tell you how to use this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we have code runner. By using
Mm-hmm.
this extension, you can run your specific code. Specific code. Up to here, it is okay. Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
Here it is
Yeah,
okay,
it is.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. See, Teju,
Mm-hmm.
first I will show better comments and Thunder Client Postman live share. Okay. Okay. Better comments. Okay. We have, first we need to go here. Okay. Then give here better comments.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then click on this. Already I have installed. Okay. You need to click here. install. Okay. After installing this, it will be installed in your VS Code and you can use this. Okay, I will tell you like what are the different commands like you can use here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. See, this
I think just give a brief one because I don't use this much, right? Like I just want to crack the interviews later.
sorry, I did not understand.
Like we don't go need to go in depth of all this, right?
Okay, okay. You don't
Maybe
want to go deep in this.
yeah, 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 yeah. Only code runner because it's specific to the code. All else, I think we should be good, right? Like
Okay, okay,
not
okay.
so important.
Okay, okay. This is not, you don't want to be. Okay. Right. We have code runner. Okay.
Mm.
You
Yeah,
can go here.
yeah. On the go, we can learn, right? Better comments, everything you will ask me to
Yeah,
download,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, here I will tell you. Okay, right.
Okay. If you want to quickly tell, also that is also good. I'm just saying
Yeah,
because
no problem. No problem. No problem.
you're being perfect. That is very good. But I'm just saying.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, sure. So that I will complete it. Okay.
Yeah.
So see, we have, I have organized everything. Okay. So
Mm.
every day, like I will inject all the content in you so that you will understand everything step by step. Okay. Don't be hurry burry. Okay. And
Okay.
you will eventually you will be able to design the APIs for CRUD operation as well as login authentication. That's for sure, 100%. Okay. So
Okay.
be confident. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here better comments. Just I will write here so that I will push this code, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This one to highlight the function. And only these two up to code what we call Node.js architecture. I will tell the theory. After Node.js
Mm.
architecture, they won't be in. I won't tell any kind of theory. Just I will explain it. I will write.
Okay. Mm.
Mostly it will be related to coding only.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. Only for two classes, today and tomorrow. That's it. And from day after tomorrow, you will be creating package.json file. Again, you will be involved in hands-on only, hands-on practice. Okay.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
Uh, okay. And we
I'm
have,
good with.
yeah. So I will go here.
Mm-hmm.
This pop-up is coming. 1 second. Yeah.
So you're completely into this Node.js thing
Yes,
in
yes.
Angular. You're a
Yeah, yeah.
front-end developer. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. See, we have one function. You know how to declare one function? You know how to declare function in
Just
JavaScript?
public some access modifier and return and method name.
Yeah, yeah. Same thing. So here also we use the same thing, Teju. First, we need to give here function keyword, function.
Okay,
If
function.
you're creating any function or method, then you should give
Mm.
function keyword, then demo or download or anything. Okay, demo
Function
and
name. Okay.
function name.
Yeah.
Then
Huh.
like this.
Okay. Got
Okay,
it.
right.
Mm.
So to give this comment, like you can use this comment. Like this is
It's for a single line comment.
yeah, this is single
And the
line.
double line would be, multi-line would be slash and asterisk.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
it,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Anything new? Anything else?
That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Because Java also
Now,
same. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Now, what to? Okay. Now, here in this function, you have critical error. Okay, critical error.
Uh-huh.
Then you
Uh-huh.
can give here like this. Okay, this function is having critical error.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Okay,
Yeah.
this is comment and question mark. Okay. Now, these comment mostly you can see while if for example you have done some changes in your project and you pushed your code to GitHub repository and your team leader checks your code, and if there is anything missing, okay, then he will write, please add validations for input field.
Mm.
Have you encountered this kind of thing?
Yeah. We even write to do. We have to
Yeah, yeah.
do in this. Yeah.
Yeah, please add in GitHub, they use this command. Please add validations for input fields. Okay. And
This question mark will be there.
yeah, they will write like this. Question mark will be there in
Oh,
GitHub.
okay.
Yeah.
I never noticed a question mark,
Otherwise, they
but
will write like this. What is the use of this line? What is the use of this line?
okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Got it.
Okay.
To do. Yeah.
To do.
Yeah.
Okay. This is used to highlight like you have you have
New
built,
functionality
yeah,
to be added. Huh?
yeah.
You
Exactly.
have to upgrade or some new
New
functionality.
functionality
Yeah.
need to be added, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Like
That's why we use this, like what
exactly,
functionality it
exactly.
equals. Yeah.
And we have like this one important nodes. Okay, for
Yeah.
important
Important. Yeah.
nodes.
Or description of the this thing of that method or something like that. Right?
Okay, up to here it is clear, right?
Yeah.
All
And
right.
we don't have any classes concept here, right, Mohammed? How are you called, Mohammed?
Yeah, Mohammed, you can call Mohammed.
Mohammed, yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
So there is no classes concept here, right? Everything is a function.
yeah. Class we have, I will tell you, class, function,
Okay.
variable. Okay.
Mm.
Many things are there. I will teach you.
Oh,
Okay. No
okay,
need to
okay,
bother about
fine,
it.
fine. Yeah.
Okay. So I have completed extensions like different type of extensions are there. Okay,
Mm.
right. You have understood, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Uh-huh.
API 1. Okay.
Hmm.
API 2. API request I'm telling. You have idea about this, right? API,
Yeah. These, yeah.
API 2, API 3.
Mm.
Statement API 4. Okay, these are different type of HTTP request. API 1, API 2, API 3, API 4. Okay, now I'm discussing about synchronous operation and asynchronous operation. Hello,
Yeah.
you
Go
have
ahead.
idea of this synchronous operation?
No. Like synchronization, we have it in Java, but I don't know.
Okay,
Synchronous means it will wait till we give the response, right?
no. Synchronous operations, yeah, that's correct. It will wait until you execute. I will write here definition.
Complete end to start to end, it will wait.
Exactly,
That
correct. Very
thread
good.
will wait for that.
Yeah,
Asynchronous, it doesn't wait. It just gives the request and it goes to the next work, right?
exactly. Synchronous operations are called as blocking.
Blocking. Yes. Yeah.
Blocking. You remember this one, okay? Now,
Yes.
synchronous operations are tasks that are executed one after the other.
Yeah.
It wait until it wait until the previous one has completed the execution.
Okay.
Until the previous one, okay? Until the previous one has completed the execution. Execute1. Okay, you have cleared, you have understood this line, right? Synchronous
Mm.
operation are tasks that are executed one after the other. Okay, it
Okay.
wait until the previous one has completed the execution.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
now,
understand.
yeah, now I will tell you here. Already I have written right here. Okay, right. See, Teju, now API request, okay, it is not taking time. Okay, it will execute. Okay, this also is not taking time. It will execute properly. API 3, okay, it is taking time. API 3 is
Yeah.
taking time. Okay. This is taking time to get there are lakhs of record present in database. Okay. In
Mm.
database, there is lakhs of record. So it is taking time to get this record. To get this record from the database, it is taking time. But this is having just simple business logic like addition, subtraction. Okay. But it is taking a lot of time. Okay. Then in that
Yeah.
case, this API 4, okay, API 4 is having simple logic like addition logic. So it will execute immediately, right? But because of this API 3, it has to wait until it has completed. Okay, synchronous operations are tasks that are executed one after the other. They have to wait
Mm.
until the previous API has completed execution.
Yes.
Again, I will repeat. Synchronous operations are tasks that are executed one after the other. Okay. It has
Consecutively,
to
they're
wait. Yeah, it
executed.
has to wait until the
If
previous.
something is delaying, the entire process will stop for the
Exactly. If
current
anyone is
one to
stopping, if anyone
complete.
is making delay, then everyone has to, sorry,
Wait.
below one has to wait until the above has completed the execution.
Right. Got it.
It's not about you have went to supermarket, right? Now, if the person has until he complete the transaction for whatever products he has purchased, you need to wait in queue, right? Once he complete his transaction, once he complete his bill, then only you will be able to make your bill, right?
Ah. Yes.
You're able to
Right.
relate or you're not
It's in
understanding?
the queue, right? Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
got. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm
You
good
need
with
to
it.
wait in queue until this person has completed his task. You need to wait. You cannot complete your task. You should wait in the queue. Once this task is done, once the task is done for this person, then you will be able to perform your operation.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. This is called, so because of this, like there is a blockage, right?
Mm.
You're understanding, right, Teju? If you're
Yeah, yeah.
not understanding, you can ask me if you have
No,
not.
no,
Because
no. I'm good with
yeah,
it. I understood. We
yeah,
have this concept, right? Yeah.
synchronous
Synchronous.
operation and asynchronous operation. Okay, these two concepts are very important. If you understand these two only, then in Node.js, everything will be about synchronous and asynchronous only.
Yeah, I understood. Like we have in Java, right? Blocking,
Yeah, yeah, in
non-blocking, all
Java.
those.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I understand that it waits. Synchronous waits till the previous job is done.
Yeah.
Asynchronous, it doesn't wait. You know.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Example,
Mm-hmm.
synchronous operation, like arithmetic operation.
Mm-hmm.
Arithmetic operation, business logic. Okay, you have understood, right?
Yeah. Got it. Got it.
Okay. For example, okay, in this function, you're doing arithmetic operation. Okay, okay. Here you have a like some you need to retrieve, okay, data from database. Need to retrieve data from database.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will take time. Okay, this function is taking time. Because of this, like below function should wait. Okay,
Okay.
you have understood,
Yeah.
right? Just I'm giving
Yeah.
example.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. I understood.
all right. Okay. Business logic means like it can be just a code, okay, to
Yeah.
like anything logic,
Some
okay,
logic.
some
Some
logic.
logic. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
great, great. Asynchronous. It is non-blocking. I was telling you yesterday, right? Sorry, today also I have discussed event-driven non-blocking input-output model, right?
Mm-hmm.
In Node.js architecture, I told you I will discuss about event-driven non-blocking input-output model.
Mm-hmm.
During that concept, I will cover this will be
Yeah.
covered.
You mentioned you'll cover later
Yeah,
during
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
architecture.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Okay. So asynchronous operations are tasks that are executed
A task that are
without
executed
waiting
for the response, right?
for the previous one.
For the previous.
Okay, for the
Yeah.
previous one. So asynchronous are tasks that are executed without waiting for the previous one.
Okay. Previous call or something like that.
Okay, previous API call, you
Yeah.
can say, or uh, previous task. You can say anything for previous one.
Previous task or threads. There is no thread concept here, right?
Yeah, it is there. Thread concept is there. Thread pull, thread.
Then I think it's based for the previous task to be completed. Yeah,
Yeah.
previous task. Correct, correct.
Okay.
Previous
Perfect.
task only. Yeah, right.
See here, Teju, API 1, API 2, API 3, API 4 API calls are there. Okay. Now API 1 is having business logic, arithmetic. This is also having arithmetic logic. But this API 3 is having, it has to retrieve, it has to take, get the data from the database. It is taking a lot of time. So what we are doing in asynchronous operation, without waiting for the previous one, we are executing this API 4. In asynchronous, what we used to do, we need to wait. This API 4 has to wait until this API 3 task has been completed. But in API 4, but in asynchronous, this API 4 won't wait for the previous one. It will execute their task without
Yeah, it will
waiting for the previous
initiate
one.
its task.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
will initiate the task without waiting for the previous one.
true. Got it.
Up to here, it is clear, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So this is all about synchronous and asynchronous. Up to here, if you have any doubt, you can tell me.
nothing.
You can ask me. Okay. Like HTTP request. Okay. And retrieving data from database. DB. Okay. Okay. All right. Already I have here. See, this is Node.js architecture. Okay.
Oh,
So this architecture tomorrow I will cover and I will start package.json file, how to create package.json file, and I will explain about this. Okay. So not to make
oh,
you heavy. So what is happening here? It is very, very easy. So from tomorrow you will be involved in doing coding. Okay, up to
okay.
today's class, like I was telling about theoretical, like what's happening. Okay, introduction, everything about
Okay.
extensions, editors. You must have knowledge about this because in next classes I won't be teaching. Okay, you will be you must have about that basic knowledge. Okay, now in
Yeah,
next class I will be totally involved in how to create package.json file. I will show you and I will give you task how to create package.json file. Okay,
sure.
okay.
I'm good with it.
So what
Yeah.
is libuv? What is 1 second. Okay, what is libuv? What is event loop? You told, right? What is thread pull? Thread? What do you mean by thread? Blocking
Mm.
operation? Everything. Node.js binding means what? What is V8 engine? Everything. Already we have discussed about this asynchronous. Okay, asynchronous operation, synchronous operation, V8 engine. So in tomorrow's class, like I will explain you about what is Node.js binding, event queue, okay, event loop, thread pull, and libuv.
Sure.
Everything will explain you. And I will after this explanation about Node.js architecture, I will create a package.json file. From there, like we will be in actual movie.
Okay, sure. I'm good with it.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
And nothing today, Mohammed. I think we covered the basics well. I'm good with it.
Okay.
I
Yeah,
understood because VS Code I have used already.
you have
You
used
know,
already, right? Very good,
yeah,
very good.
yeah. As I told you,
Yeah, yeah.
Node.js,
But yeah,
Angular,
yeah.
and React. I saw
Yeah.
online classes and did some things,
Yeah.
but
But it's
I
my
was
job, like, but it's my job to
yeah,
explain
that's
to like
that's
every,
true.
like, yeah,
No,
that's
no,
great.
no, no, no
Okay.
offense. Like
Yeah.
you did great. No complaints. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
That's it for today.
Just for 1 minute, we'll recall like what we have
Yeah.
discussed so far. Like,
Yeah.
what is
Sure.
synchronous operation?
Huh?
What is synchronous operation? Synchronous.
Synchronous operations means each API call will be uh, each API call will be waiting for its previous call API call to be
Exactly.
completed.
Great, great. Correct, correct. What is asynchronous?
Asynchronous, once the request is sent by the API call, it won't wait for the response. The next API call will start
Okay. It
triggering.
won't wait for the previous one. Without waiting for the previous one, it will execute. It will
Yeah,
it do
previous
the job,
API
right?
calls response, it will get triggered.
Great, great. Okay. So like in tomorrow's, like we'll cover that Node.js architecture and package sample how to create. Okay. Thank you,
Yeah, sure.
Tejo. Okay. I will stop
Thank you, Mohammed.
recording.
Thank you. Bye.
And you install this VS Code. Okay.
Yeah, it's already there.
Be
Yeah,
ready. Yeah, it is already there,
yeah,
right? Be ready with
yeah,
that.
it's
Okay. I
already
will
there.
push this code to the repo. 1 second now.
Sure. Okay. How did you create the repo?
Yeah, I will show you.